Wait, what was I about to say? Okay, welcome back to BMR Review. Here, back with another video. Today is the third day of Christmas. And today we have I guess I gotta show you all this stuff. Of course. So, to enter in the video. But yeah, it's Demo Derby from Hot Wheels Blizzard something? What? Okay. Blizzard Blasters? Okay, we just leave it at that. Here's the 4 other trucks in the series. I wish I could have found all of them because this looks sick. This series looks sick. But I don't have all of them, so guess what, we're going to have to review this. And this is the third day of Christmas. That's why I chose something that looks wintry. And we still got 2 more days. So let's get right into opening this package of Demo Derby himself in his winter theme. That's a quick way to open stuff. Oh, interesting. Okay, cool. Oh, that's weird. I don't know. These wheels are kind of weird. I'll try them to you when we get up to there. But it comes with a rubber car. You know, just a random van that it could crush. Even though I don't think with these kind of wheels, it's gonna be crushing anything. But you can disagree with me in the comments if you want. So, I'm trying to get all the graphics to show. Of course, it has a white outline and it's blue all over the place. Snow. Says Hot Wheels right here. If you can see it. Still trying to get it. You can kind of see it. Yeah. Right here it says Hot Wheels. And what does it say there? I can't see. I think it says Hot Wheels Monster Trucks in a blue ice kind of overlay. 68 Hot Wheels. Cool. Hot Wheels. Right there. That's it. Oh, and it has like a smiley face. You can kind of see the regular detail. It got like a lot of snow on the bottom right here. Chassis is blue. Blue window. That's kind of cool. That's kind of different. 86 on the side. Has a smiley face again. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can kind of see it. It's like white flames. And, you know, it has all kinds of... It's crazy wheeled. Looks kind of like gear wheels that you would use on, like, them, what's it called? Motorcycles. So that's kind of cool. And the way it still rolls is that it has 2 wheels under it. And these kind of move, so I kind of don't like that. Makes it feel like it's gonna fall. Besides that, I think we need to do like a roll test to make sure. Yep, it still rolls kinda cool. And that should be it for the third day of Christmas. See you all next time. See ya tomorrow, Christmas Eve, different time. Let's go. I got work tomorrow, so I won't be doing this early. So, you know. But yeah, see you all tomorrow for Christmas Eve. And then, you know, after that, Christmas Day. And make your opinions about this truck in the comments down below. It's an awesome piece of my collection. So if you find this one, go for it. If you like Christmas theme kind of stuff. I do. You know, all this stuff. Yeah. Cool.